We're for our Pacifics,
and we're fresh out the box.
For R stands for refuse, reduce, reuse, and recycle. We are going down to the reef where there is a lot of rubbish. That's where the current takes some of the rubbish on the shore. It's really, really bad. I mean, like, the plastic is killing our Samoa. We are picking up rubbish and picking up plastic, and we are recycling. The aim is to create a better and cleaner Samoa for the next generation.
Put your hands together.
It's important for us to do what we're doing, because if we don't, nobody else will. We want to live in an environment where we see green grass and trees and not plastic. The group I'm affiliated with, the Student Rotaract of USP, we're all from the ages of 19 to 23 and 24. And why we chose this is because most of the people in Samoa, the ones that are littering and dumping plastic, is all between that age. If we chose to make a difference, instead of adding to the problem, but try and solve the problem, if we do that, we can inspire the people that are the same age as us to do the exact same thing and come up with a solution in the process of recycling and reducing. It's really important because we have one home and we have to look out for it. We can't just think about us in the present, but we also have to think about when we have our kids and our kids' kids, and what do we leave them in the future.